In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect headphones to Nintendo Switch Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you various different ways to connect headphones to your Nintendo Switch. This will allow you to play not only Fortnite, but any other game that you have on your Nintendo Switch, and you will listen to all of the audio being output on the set of headphones that you connected. So the primary way to connect a set of headphones is going to be through the USB port. So this example here, I have this model from SteelSeries, and as you can see, they use a USB wireless receiver that they plug into the USB-C port. So all that you would have to do if you had a model like this one or from other brands is to use the USB receiver. The USB receiver should automatically pair itself up to the set of headphones when you power them on. And as long as it has sufficient battery, you will be able to use them directly. Now, another way to establish this connection is going to be through the headphone jack, or what people refer to as the 3.5mm headphone port. So all that you have to do in this case is to plug them in with the proper cable into this port here. So by plugging them in using a cable, you will also be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your Nintendo Switch. So if you have a wired headset or set of headphones, then you just plug them in using the cable, and once they have been connected into this port, you are good to go. Another way is going to be through Bluetooth. So if you have a set of headphones that is compatible over Bluetooth, just go over to the system settings, choose Bluetooth audio, and then pair device. You will see all of the limitations and features here. Make sure that you read through all of them. And as long as you put your set of headphones into pairing mode, they will appear on the list of compatible devices. Just choose the device that you want to connect, and you will get this message, connected to Bluetooth audio. As long as they are sufficiently charged, you can go inside of Fortnite or any other game, and all of the audio will be output to the headphones. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect headphones to Nintendo Switch Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.